What's up guys, Robby here, and guess what? Did you know that ClickBank is one of the best ways to generate reoccurring revenue each and every day online? It's not having a product, it's not having an email list, it's not having a Shopify store, it's running ClickBank offers. And I'm living proof of it. I went from being a struggling personal trainer just a couple of years ago where I couldn't even pay for my groceries to now I am the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. As you can see, let me just log in and show you. Just log into my ClickBank account right now. All right, there you go right there, guys. So you can see that I am the #1 affiliate in the world. I generate a lot of money on Facebook, all right? And I wanna show and share with you exactly how I've done that. And so here's the way it works, guys. So register for my free training right now. It doesn't cost anything, it's a free training. And in that training, I'm gonna share with you exactly how I went from being a struggling personal trainer to now being the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world, and how you can do the same with this 3-step method. So go ahead and click that link above, and I can't wait to see you on the training.